law. Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law means a distribution of energy. This law is based on the distribution of energy of a reactant. So that the law gives the fraction of the total number of molecules possessing a specific energy at a given temperature. Why that this law gives the fraction of the total number of molecules possessing a specific energy means that which is that specific energy, how that number means how the fraction is determined by the Boltzmann distribution law. Because of yesterday we are discussed on the energy of activation. Energy of activation is the substance which possesses a definite amount of energy, that is called as the activation energy. Here Maxwell distribution law states that only the few molecules, that few called as the fraction, we can say here, consider this is the square. This part called as the fraction. Okay. This fraction have some number of reactant molecules. We have to consider 10 molecules there. These 10 molecules possesses a specific energy at a given temperature. Specific energy means that energy is sufficient to convert into the product. Only total number 100, out of that from the 100 reactant molecules, only 10 molecules possessing a specific energy, possesses a definite energy to convert into the product. That is the distribution of energy. Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law gives the fraction of the total number of molecules possessing a specific energy at a given temperature. Is known as the Maxwell-Boltzmann. By the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law, we have to write N of EA upon N of T is equal to E raised to minus EA upon RT. The equation number first. This equation we have from the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. See this equation. See this equation as per the definition, as per the principle, or it is based on the principle of Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. What is the principle of that Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law? Only the few molecules, fraction of the molecules which are take part in chemical reaction, simple meaning. Only the fraction of molecules they are converted into their product. Remaining molecules are not able to convert the product because of they do not have a definite energy, they do not possessing a specific energy. So that the fraction of the total molecules possessing a definite energy at a given temperature known as the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. So here, see this. N of EA means that molecules per unit volume. Means this one, N of EA, it is the molecules per unit volume, N total number of molecules per unit volume, and this EA energy of activation are gas constant. One of the problem, this equation N of EA molecules per unit volume means fraction of the molecules. Fraction of molecules possessing a specific energy, so that they are converted into the product. This is the Boltzmann distribution law. जिथे काय आहे एनर्जी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन आहे कुठल्या आधारे those are converted into product, those are unable to convert into product, that will be based on the energy distribution. So Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. From this equation, N of EA means the molecules which are able to or capable, these molecules have a capacity to convert into product because of possessing a specific energy. This NT is equal to E raised to EA upon RP. Right? These are the significance. NA is molecules per unit volume. NT total number of molecules. This NA is the fraction. Now we have to write the rate of the reaction only for this one, because of according to law of mass action, rate of chemical reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactant which are take part in chemical reaction. Number of the molecules, but some of the unable to take part in chemical reaction, so they are not considered for the rate of, so only consider the rate of reaction which are the molecules which are take part in a reaction. Any problem? एक बंदा से सुरू आहे ऑफ करा काही डिफिकल्टी असेल शकता पण आता आपण डिस्कस करू नका. This law states that the fraction of the molecules, fraction of the total number of molecules possessing a specific energy at a given temperature. Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. From that principle, we have to write this equation. Then one of the important statements, Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law, we have to write the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. How to write this rate of reaction? कसे लिहिणार आपण ही rate of reaction? Only consider the molecules which are capable for the reacting. Therefore, this rate of reaction is equal to A into N of EA. N of EA, this equation first, this is equation second. N of EA stands for the molecules which are capable of reacting. Rate of reaction that will be based or depend on only the molecules which are capable of reacting. As per the Maxwell-Boltzmann definition, only fraction of the molecules, that is represented by N of Ea. Therefore, this rate of reaction is directly proportional to the number of molecules which are capable. Here A, that is the proportionality constant. This is a proportionality constant. This proportionality constant used by the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. So specific significance. कुणाचा व्हिडिओ किंवा तो माईक बंद आहे, चालू आहे, तो बंद करा. आपला डिव्हाइस आपण चेक करा. Rate of reaction is equal to A. This constant, it is a proportionality constant. It is a proportionality constant. And this constant used by Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution. So it is a one more important significance of this A, that is the frequency factor. It is also called as the frequency factor. Calculate the frequency factor. Question number 1 for 1 mark. Calculate the rate of reaction. Equation concept दिलेली आहे, ती value दिलेली असते. Number of molecules and calculate this frequency factor. This equation and these two. Okay. N of Ea upon Nt is equal to e raised to minus Ea upon Rt. So we have to write this equation for, or simplify this equation for this term. That is the N of Ea is equal to Nt into what? E raised to minus Ea upon Rt. Say equation number 2. This is equation number 3. Substitute equation 2 in equation 3. We get what do we get? Rate of reaction is equal to A, value of Ea, that is Nt into e raised to minus Ea upon Rt. Say equation number 4. Total number of molecules determines the concentration, so Nt is replaced by C. Concentration depends on which factor? Number of molecules. Okay, so that Nt term is replaced by a C. C stands for concentration. And therefore, general reaction we have to use here. Third important step of the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. First, write this equation from their definition, simplify or rearrange this equation for simplify this equation for this fraction of the molecules. We get N of Ea is equal to Nt into e raised to minus Ea upon Rt. Equation number 2. Substitute that equation in equation 3. And this equation is, this is the second step. This equation is rate of reaction of fraction of. Then substitute equation 2 in equation 3, we get this one. Then this Nt is replaced by C because of meaning of both is same. What is the meaning? Nt stands for the concentration and C also significance concentration. Then third step, general rate of the reaction in terms of concentration, that is the definition of kinetics. Last step was the concept rate of reaction in terms of, that is directly proportional to the concentration of reactant. So directly used is equal to K into C. Equation number, this equation number 5. Okay, after substitution of this, rate of reaction is equal to A into C into e raised to minus EA upon RT. Say equation number 5. On comparing equation 5 and 6, on comparing equation 5 and 6, this get cancelled, this cancelled, C cancels, this also C cancelled. Therefore, we get again the exponential form of Arrhenius equation, dA upon RT, equation number 7. This equation 7 is the exponential form of Arrhenius equation, and it is obtained from the energy distribution concept. It is obtained from the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law, and this point is for us again 4 marks. Problem which is based on this equation also. If steric factor is given, then the frequency factor. आता इथे टर्म आहे, लक्षात घ्या. प्रॉब्लेम विचारला जातो फ्रिक्वेन्सी फॅक्टर कुठली आहे. प्रॉब्लेम विचारला जातो कॅल्क्युलेट द स्टेरिंग फॅक्टर. बोल्ट्झमन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मध्ये सिग्निफिकन्स ऑफ ए इज द फ्रिक्वेन्सी फॅक्टर. एक्सपोनेन्शियल फॉर्म मध्ये Arrhenius concept, A is the steric factor, and that A is also called as a pre-exponential factor. म्हणजे स्टॅटिस्टिकल डाटा सेम, फक्त प्रश्न विचारलाय स्टेरिक फॅक्टर कॅल्क्युलेट करा, फ्रिक्वेन्सी फॅक्टर कॅल्क्युलेट करा, प्री एक्सपोनेन्शियल फॅक्टर कॅल्क्युलेट करा. म्हणजे तिन्ही जर असले तिन्ही तर दॅट वी हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट ओनली ए. स्टेरिक कॅल्क्युलेट करायला सांगितलं ए कॅल्क्युलेट करा, प्री एक्सपोनेन्शियल कॅल्क्युलेट करायला सांगितलं एच कॅल्क्युलेट करा, किंवा फ्रिक्वेन्सी फॅक्टर कॅल्क्युलेट करा. फ्रिक्वेन्सी फॅक्टर ही कन्सेप्ट बोल्ट्झमन नुसार आलेली आहे ऍज पर दी, कारण फ्रिक्वेन्सी फॅक्टर हा बोल्ट्झमन कॉन्स्टंट. लक्षात आलं, बोल्ट्झमन कॉन्स्टंट आता के constant steric factor from the Arrhenius theory. So this equation 7 is also exponential form of the Arrhenius equation. And last point of this chapter will complete within 5 minutes. That is the interpretation of energy of activation. Interpretation of energy of activation. For the 3 marks question. 1. In this point, we only imagine the reaction. Think about the reaction. Initial stage of the reaction. Initial stage of the reaction. There is only reactant. आपण रिएक्शन लिहायला सुरुवात केली तरी पहिल्यांदा रिएक्टंट लिहितो. इनिशियली ओनली रिएक्टंट्स आर प्रेझेंट इन द रिएक्शन मेथड. Reactants are present only at the start point of reaction. So that you write one of the statement, first statement that is important for the interpretation of energy of activation is initially only reactants are present and its potential energy has a value E. R stands for potential energy. Of reactant. Reaction proceeds. If reaction proceeds. Second thinking काय आहे? पहिल्यांदा आपण thinking. What about thinking of the reaction? First stage. Okay. What is the first stage? Initially, the reaction vessel मध्ये फक्त reactant आहे. Both all of the reactant has a potential ER, potential energy. Has a potential energy ER. म्हणजे reaction plus मध्ये reactant molecules आहेत आणि त्यांची energy potential energy ER, initial stage. What is the second thinking? पहिली स्टेप झाली. रिएक्टंट आहे त्याची स्पेसिफिक एनर्जी म्हणजे पोटेन्शियल म्हणजे ऍक्टिव्हेशन. देन सेकंड reaction proceeds. Okay, reaction proceeds. Then molecules of the reactant come into contact with each other. Reaction proceeds, molecules are come in contact with each other, and then start the exchange of atoms. Start the exchange of atoms. Due to the exchange of atoms by the molecules during the chemical reaction, their potential energy rises to a maximum. That is the suitable condition to obtain the activated complex. Means when potential energy rises to maximum, that time reactant molecule forms the activated complex. Activated complex केव्हा तयार होतो? जेव्हा reactant molecule ची potential energy ही maximum state ला असते. The potential energy rises to maximum, then reacting molecule forms the activated complex. That is one of the unstable configuration state of the reacting molecules. Activated complex are unstable. This diagram represents the interpretation of the energy of activation. Potential energy P. Very simple diagram. This is the potential energy up to this stage. That is the ER. Okay. When reaction proceeds, each and every molecules means fraction of the molecules, they are coming in contact with each other. Okay. Then there is an exchange of atoms takes place, and so that the potential energy of the reactant molecules rise to a maximum, and at this stage these molecules form the activated complex, and then these activated complex molecules are converted into the product. This is the EP. Difference between the potential energy of reactant, potential energy of the product is the energy which is evolved during the chemical reaction. Means this EP minus ER is equal to ΔE, and the significance of ΔE, that is the evolved energy during the chemical reaction. This energy, interpretation of energy of activation, this energy is required to form activated complex. this much amount of energy, interpretation, this much amount, this is also del E. This is the energy, activation energy, del E. This energy difference between initially. Okay. This much, not here, exponent. This difference, ER, EP. ER, EP. This difference in energy is required for the forward reaction. Is required means this amount of energy is required for the forward reaction. Reversible. The reaction forward होण्यासाठी this much amount of energy is required. For the backward, how much amount of energy? This much amount of energy is required for the backward reaction. This much amount of energy is available. Reaction is backward, goes to backward. You have to get this difference. Means exothermic. This case backward means endothermic reaction. Reaction backward endothermic. Reaction forward exothermic, absorption of energy. So the last point of this one, interpretation of the energy of activation. We will stop here. Then Wednesday we will continue the topic of gravimetric analysis. At the end of this gravimetric Saturday, I will try to complete the gravimetric analysis on Saturday. 4 lectures. Try. Then electrogravimetry start next week. Co-precipitation, post-precipitation, ignition, digestion of the precipitate, drying of the precipitate, suitable conditions, difference between the co-precipitation, post-precipitation. सगळे पुढच्या वीक मध्ये ग्रॅव्हिमेट्रीचे जे काही पॉइंट्स होतील ते सर्व परीक्षेच्या दृष्टिकोनातून इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. आणि आज या स्टेजला हा टॉपिक संपलेला आहे. काही जे प्रॉब्लेम्स असतील तुम्ही ते सॉल्व्ह करा. Stop here.